is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. It's your crypto enthusiast, Lightliger here, and today we're going to be talking about Steemit and how to make money in Steemit exactly, because a lot of people are fascinated by the idea of doing Steemit full time, and I'm going to tell you there are certain people in Steemit who make $100 on a daily basis, okay, by just doing a bunch of different stuff. And in certain parts of the world, like let's say Southeast Asia, where the median income is like $300 to $400, you know, Steemit can be a very reliable source of income for you. And I can see why so many people are attracted to the platform. But what is Steemit exactly? So I will not do like a full explanation on it because that will take a lot of time explaining every aspect. There is a bit of a learning curve, but once you learn it, you will start to understand the platform and you can start making money on a daily basis. So Steemit is kind of like Tumblr meets Medium. However, it's on a blockchain, so it has its own two cryptocurrencies, which are Steem, which is right now valued at $0.8, and then you have Steem Dollar, which is valued at $1.01, and usually Steem Dollar is valued higher than Steem. And these currencies essentially are the methods you're getting paid on the Steemit platform, but there are other platforms who use the blockchain in their website as well, where you can make money too, which we will get into in a second. So the easiest way to make money is to create content, okay? And that is, you know, writing things, writing articles. Maybe you have a certain trade. Maybe you are, you know, a good chef. You can write maybe recipes of cooking. Maybe you're good at building computers or coding, or you maybe are musically talented, or you're good at video editing. All of these different types of niches have at least some type of an audience in Steemit where you can be very, you know, expert on and make some money out of, you know. Not every person is a writer, obviously. So you can also, you know, choose certain things and comment, and certain comments can get upvoted and you will get money out of that way too. This is obviously a good method also, and this is the most normal way that people make money through Steemit, okay? They write articles and they comment and upvote things, okay? That's a very basically narrowed down system of the Steemit. But then there's the other platforms. And the one thing I want to talk about first is Smart Steem. So essentially this is a renting service. You can buy promotion for your own articles too. This is something you might want to do in future to get a bit of a following, and this will scale you up to become big and stuff. But what you can do is you can sell your votes. So you essentially allow the Smart Steem platform to use your account to upvote certain posts. And you will get a reward of this. You will be paid on Steem and the Steem Dollar from doing this. I have my personal referral link down below in the description, so I would appreciate you with using that one. And this is a very basic, let's just say, autopilot system. So if you're not very active on the platform, you just maybe want to rent the account, you know, and make some passive income. This is, there are other similar types of systems like this, but Smart Steem is probably the best of them. Let's get into some of the other platforms where you can make money in Steemit. One other platform is called Steem Hunt, which is essentially a platform where you share different types of products. They have to be games or apps or something technology based. So certain people are sharing different types of, you know, devices and apps and things like this. And essentially they just put up some images. You maybe leave a description about it and a video, and people will upvote them. And as you get more upvotes, you will get money. And this is a very good way to make money. Some of the better ones can get up to, you know, $6, $5 in Steemit currencies on a daily basis. So if you post one per day and you get to the top page, it can be a very, very good source of money. And this is probably the easiest way. If you don't have any talents whatsoever, but you're good at like finding products, this is probably the best way to make money and the easiest way to make money in Steem Hunt. Eventually, you will get lucky and you will get a product that will get to the top page. Even the lowest performing things can get you a cent or two, which you can obviously snowball. And best places to look for these products are probably Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and obviously the producthunt.com, which is kind of what the Steem thing is based on. Then we have DTube, which is essentially the YouTube alternative to, YouTube alternative, which is just Steem based. So you have people here making even $100 by doing these videos. It can be very profitable. I'm not gonna lie, getting noticed in DTube is a bit harder. And they even have live stream systems, which are not very popular there, so it's not a very streaming platform. But nonetheless, it's pretty good place. If you're a video editor, you do videos on YouTube, you might as well upload them to DTube as well, and you can make, decent money as well if they get to promoted very highly. I mean, this video that we're just watching might be on DTube right now, I'm not sure. The DTube is still in kind of like a beta product. There's some issues with the uploading stuff, which I don't personally like, and it's a bit complicated, which may steer off certain people off from the platform. And then we have Vim TV, and this is essentially the Twitch alternative. We had DLive before, but DLive went to another blockchain. They're no longer part of Steemit. And this is essentially very similar thing. So you have streams, and people can donate and give even tips and upload. We can upload the stream right now here. Okay, I've actually not connected this account to Steemit, so we're not gonna do that now. But this is also, if you're a streamer, this is a great place to, make some money as well. It may not be popular right now yet. It's slowly growing, and obviously it's a much newer project, and it's still in its alpha, so it's expected to rise in the future. Then we have Steepshot. This is essentially the Instagram alternative. I guess you can just, if you're very attractive women, maybe you can post some pictures here, or just some photography, or if you're traveling a lot, this can be a place to post these pictures here. And this is a very easy way to get, also money by posting pictures. Then we have D-Like, and this is very similar, another picture platform. I think out of the two, I think the Steepshot might be the bigger one. This seems to be a lot less of a blocking type of thing. People can share videos here too, so it's a bit different, I guess, as a platform. And moving on, we have D-Mania, which is essentially 9gag. So this is where you can post memes, and actually some of the memes are not that good, and they are getting paid a lot of money. And finding memes, pretty easy. Everybody can understand memes. If you don't have talent for photography, at least you can find memes and post them here, okay? And that's something good, okay? Moving on. If you have a musical talent, you can post them to D-Sound. And D-Sound is essentially, looks like very much like SoundCloud. Everything about it, I'm not surprised if there was a lawsuit, because it seems everything about the code and interface seems pretty much the same. They just changed the color from a bit more yellow than orange. And here you can sell your songs, or give them for free, and they can get uploaded. Here's a song that has like $90. That's a lot more money than usually even a single song can make in Spotify, with like a reasonably sized artist, independent artists, that is. So this is a pretty cool platform. It seems to be still a bit of a rough on the edges. I mean, it needs some features and perhaps a bit more tuning up. But that's a place, if you're a musician, you can post them here. Musing is essentially Quora, okay? But the crypto platform, so you get essentially cryptocurrency for answering and also asking questions, apparently. I haven't used this platform that much yet, but it seems very promising and also a very easy way to make money. And then we have Q&A, which is essentially same as Musing, but this is on mobile, so it works on App Store and Google Play. Haven't tried it, don't know much about it, but it might be as good. I mean, 700. This is potentially a very promising platform, and also another great way to make money on Steemit. Then we have a bit more unknown alternative that most people don't know about. This is called Minnosmith. This is Steemit miner. Steemit is not normally mined, but what this guy is doing is essentially using a Monero miner plugins or scripts to mine Monero, but he will pay you in Steemit, okay? And I've tried this before myself. I verified that it works. They do payouts, and here you can see the actual rates of the hashes, which is like 1/10 of a cent is essentially, you know, 250,000 of a hash. So it's not the most best rate, but this is passive income, okay? This is guaranteed income, okay? This is like the most guaranteed income version of all them all. And, you know, as I said, I've tried it. It works. Moving on, we have, okay, this side is actually dead. We have DGameland, which is a place where you are able to sell games, okay? I'm not sure, actually, is there like, I'm not 100% sure about, but there might be like a way to people, yeah. So if you have enough reputation, you can sell your Steam games here, okay? And you probably have to, you know, offer them quite low in prices, but, you know, there's one guy pretty much running it, and there's probably other people who can sell games here too. Yeah, there's other people here too. And it's a very, very affordable place to buy games. Obviously, if you own keys, you have to sell them quite low, but it's also a source of income, okay? Then we have PeerHub, which is a place where you can buy all types of random stuff. This is essentially eBay of, well, Steemit. So you sell different stuff on whatever it's games, fitness, golf. There's a lot of a lot of drugs here too, apparently. And I haven't tried this platform. Obviously, you have to have something to sell. I don't know what is like the legitimacy of the platform. Does it have like a reputation requirement or something? But I mean, it's a one alternative. Let's just say that. And then is In Steem, which is essentially kind of like the Steemit blog, but this is for news, you know, decentralized news platform. And it's a lot more about politics and markets, not so much about like normal daily blogs. And, you know, there's independent journalists. I'm not really sure how they are selected. I haven't used this platform myself. And these are, I just showed you around 10 different places where you can make money on Steemit. And even if you don't have a tool of a trade or certain talent, you can still post memes or products to Steem Hunt, you know, and, you know, make money. And when you have the money, if you don't like the Steem currency, you don't trust it, you can exchange it through the block trades. They support Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, BitShares, Ether, Litecoin, Monero. So it's a good exit strategy for you. Obviously, there are many places which use Steemit markets where you can sell it to the Fiat. So there are many ways to benefit from being part of the Steemit platform. And hopefully this video was insightful. You learned something new, and maybe you become a millionaire, and maybe you throw me $1 or $2 because of it. But if you want to support me, obviously, you can donate to me, you know, through my links down below, through my crypto wallets, and like the video, obviously, subscribe, and you know, buy some products from King Kong Crypto, some clothing. You get 10% discount with the code LightLiger from the store, from all products. Pretty good deal. And thanks for watching once again. I will see you guys next time on the next video. Whether it's Steemit or not, I don't know. But I might do some other videos. And there will be an article version of all the things, and I will update that. So if there's new things where to make money on Steemit, they will be on that article. So you want to bookmark it or check it out, okay? Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.